Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, we're going to focus on the only 3 dumbbell chest exercises you need to master for incredible results and massive gains. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced lifter, these exercises will help you build a stronger, more defined chest. Before we dive into the exercises, let's quickly discuss the anatomy of the chest. The chest, also known as the pectoral region, is a large muscle group located on the front of the torso. It is made up of 2 main muscles, the pectoralis major and the pectoralis minor. The pectoralis major is the larger of the 2 muscles and is responsible for the majority of the movement in the chest, including flexion, adduction, and internal rotation of the arm. The pectoralis minor is a smaller muscle located beneath the pectoralis major and helps to stabilize the shoulder blade. The chest muscles are connected to the collarbone, sternum, and upper arm bone, allowing for a wide range of movements in the upper body. Strengthening and toning the chest muscles can improve posture, increase upper body strength, and enhance overall physical appearance. Also, please like and share this video and subscribe to our channel. We really appreciate it. Now let us begin. Number 1. Dumbbell bench press. The dumbbell bench press is a powerful exercise that targets your chest, shoulders, and triceps. To perform this exercise, lie down on a bench with a dumbbell in each hand. Raise the dumbbells above your chest and then slowly lower them towards your chest. Push the dumbbells back up to the starting position and repeat for 3 sets of 8, 10 reps. Number 2. Pullover dumbbell chest exercise. The pullover dumbbell chest exercise is a great compound exercise that targets multiple muscles, including the chest, triceps, and back. To perform this exercise, start by lying down on a bench with a single dumbbell in both hands. Extend your arms straight up above your chest, holding the dumbbell with both hands. Keeping your arms straight, slowly lower the weight behind your head, feeling a stretch in your chest and lats. From there, bring the weight back up above your chest, squeezing your chest muscles at the top of the movement. Repeat for 3 sets of 8, 12 reps. Number 3. Dumbbell Fly. The dumbbell fly is another great isolation exercise that targets your entire chest. To perform this exercise, lie down on a bench with a dumbbell in each hand. Raise the dumbbells above your chest and then slowly lower them out to the sides. Bring them back up to the starting position and repeat for 3 sets of 12, 15 reps. And there you have it, the 3 dumbbell chest exercises you need to master for incredible results and massive gains. What are some other dumbbell chest exercises you think we need to discuss on our next video? Let us know in the comments what you guys think. Remember to perform each exercise with proper form and to listen to your body. If you're new to these exercises, start with a lighter weight and gradually work your way up. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fitness content.